Okay, so I am on this Concord 40 again, and I've built this plastic bubble. Let me show you what we've actually got going on. So we've got a wet and punky stringer. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift this motor up a tad, and we're going to cut the whole side of this out, pull all the crap out, and dry out the area, grind the area, and then bond some new lumber in there. Actually, I think he's going to use Kusa board on this, which is like a solid, I believe, carbon fiber and foam fiber mix kind of thing going on. You can research that yourself, figure it out. But the point being that it doesn't take on water, that kind of thing, and won't rot. So it won't rot if it does take on some water, rather. So anyways, we'll replace it with that, and then I'll probably grind the area a bit, and then glass over this whole thing, both sides, to give a little bit more rigidity. So this is Concord 40 number 1 motor mount repair. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video if you care to. Thanks a lot.